know myself. I found it in the attic next to some koosh balls.
By the beard. I didn't think those still exist, do they?
Yeah, they're available at all kinds of stores.
But what is that? Is that from space or something? What kind of technology is that?
That might not be much of a bad guess.
By the beard. That's from space?
Yeah, from the planet Bissell.
We should investigate this.
Indeed.
Shock-a-dinky.
Jackpot! Yowz! Yowz! Oh! Oh! Oh!
This is kind of fun.
Hey guys. God bless you. God bless us all. Happy holidays.
What's that now?